Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, please hit the like, share, and subscribe button and even the bell notification so you can know every time that a video drop. I'll give you some time to do that. All right, now that that's out the way, guys, I am bringing a brand new variety to you. And this variety is a no ID. This is what it looks like. It is clearly different from all the other varieties that you have seen that I've done a review on. It's a very beautiful fruit on the outside, and this is the last of the fruit for the season. Bittersweet, the season is coming to an end. I harvested this earlier this morning. Let's get into it. First, I'm gonna weigh it, as we always do. I'm gonna take the bricks, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside of this beautiful dragon fruit. All right, guys, look at this beautiful color. Look at that. All right, now let's take the bricks. This is the back side, front side. Now let's take the bricks. As usual, I like to go to the center. The fruit is nice and firm. All right, guys, so the bricks is coming in at a 14 and a half. A 14 and a half. I was expecting it to be a little bit higher because I've actually had the fruit already. I just didn't shoot the video, but I thought that it was a little bit higher, but it's coming in at a 14 and a half. Now, for the most important part is the taste test. All right, guys, now it's time for the taste test. That very firm. I tell you, this does not reflect a 14. Very sweet, very juicy, firm and crisp, perfect fruit. Let's try another piece. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is definitely the business. All right, guys, there you have it. This is the No ID. Beautiful magenta color on the inside. Very delicious fruit. You know the motto on the page. Each one teach one. Juicing with Jay. And I will see you on the next video. Peace.